He knows about my clothes. One who really wants it, one who really needs it.
I promise we have more control in our classroom. Are you guys ready? Put your arms up. Are you ready? Arms up. Ready? Here we go. The floppy, floppy scarecrow, he goes his fiddles all day. He waves his floppy floppies to scare the crows away. The floppy, floppy scarecrow, he goes his fiddles all day. All right, last one. Everyone put your earphones down. Put your earphones down. Ready? Sit down. Right here next to me. Okay, let's